In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your listing limit on Facebook Marketplace. If you've ever found yourself hitting a wall when trying to post more items for sale, you're not alone. Facebook implements certain restrictions to maintain a healthy, safe, and genuine marketplace experience for everyone. These limits can depend on several factors such as the age and activity level of your account, any past violations of their rules, and your overall trust level, which is calculated based on your engagement and history on the platform. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand why these limits exist. Facebook uses them to prevent spam and scams, ensuring that all users have a secure experience. By acknowledging this, you're already on a path to working within their system effectively. To prevent hitting these restrictions early on, it's important to keep your account in good standing. Avoid violating Facebook's marketplace policies. This means steering clear of listing prohibited items like weapons or counterfeit goods. Additionally, responding quickly and politely to potential buyers is key, as is marking your items as sold instead of simply deleting them once the transaction is complete. This not only shows respect for the platform's rules, but also helps maintain your selling credibility. Building a positive selling history goes a long way in potentially increasing your limits. Focus on successfully completing transactions and aim for high ratings from buyers, ensuring that your listings are active and real. Avoiding duplicates will help demonstrate to Facebook that you're a reliable and trustworthy seller. At times, Facebook may request you to verify your identity before allowing an increase in your listing limit. If this happens, don't worry, it's a standard procedure to further ensure the safety of the platform. Navigate to your account settings, and under the identity confirmation section, you may be asked to upload a valid government ID. Complying with this request can often expedite the process of raising your listing limits. A beneficial strategy is to consider using a Facebook shop or business page. Creating a dedicated page for your selling activities not only helps you manage your listings better, but typically offers higher listing allowances compared to personal accounts. Make sure to link your shop with Marketplace to take advantage of this feature. If you've done all of the above but still find yourself restricted, patience is key. You may open your Marketplace, navigate to your listings, and if the option is available, tap on Request Review or Appeal. Facebook often reviews these requests and may approve additional slots for your listings. Finally, staying active and consistent on the platform can slowly increase your credibility and trustworthiness in the eyes of Facebook. Regular but non-spammy postings, along with engaging with buyers through messages and comments, will show Facebook that you're a genuine user. Remember, building a trusted presence on the platform takes time, so keep these tips in mind as you work to gradually increase your listing limit on Facebook Marketplace. Happy selling!